Day at Holy Shrine Secondary School, ICSC. I do honorably welcome Father Yeshubas Chungar to this function. Graceful welcome, Father. Report for General Body Meeting 2024, 13th July, 1:30 p.m. Venue Auditorium, Holy Child Secondary School.
Today, as we gather to honor the dazzling stars of the 2024 batch, we celebrate not just their academic accomplishments, but also their growth.
You should understand that whatever training you have gained, achieved in this institution is also for your old age. Don't forget about those things that you have learned from this great institution. Once you graduate from this institution, to join other institutions.
Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you.
Gram Panchayat Educational Award for 100% in board examination in 2024.
Mr. Paul Joy, Vice President, Mr. Shijin Mehta, Treasurer, Mr. Joy Parayagin, Coordinator, Ms. Vishiba, Secretary.
എവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിലും കൊണ്ടുപോവാം, എത്ര ലക്ഷം രൂപ വേണമെങ്കിലും ചെലവഴിക്കാം. ഈ സാധനത്തിനെ ഒന്ന് നന്നാക്കി തരണം. എൻ്റെ വായിൽ വന്ന മറുപടി നന്നാക്കാനാണെങ്കിൽ തൊട്ടപ്പുറത്ത് ഒരു വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാവും.
I deem it great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. Once again, thank you so much for everyone for your attention.